To connect Sniperoo to Axiom Pro. First, ensure you have an Axiom account. If not, create one, as you'll need it to proceed. The next step involves accessing Sniperoo, which can be found by searching for it online and clicking on the Sniperoo app link. You can log in using either Google or Telegram, with Telegram being the recommended option. After selecting the login method, a window will open, prompting you to start the bot. If you have the Telegram app on your computer, you can click Start Bot, but if you prefer the web version, click Open in Web to access the Sniperoo bot. Upon initial login, you may be asked to enter a referral code. If required, you can use an available code to proceed. Once logged in, you'll gain access to the Sniperoo Telegram channel and website. On the website, click Add Extension, and then Add to Chrome to install the necessary extension. After installation, navigate back to the Sniperoo website and click on the puzzle icon at the bottom, where you should see the Sniperoo extension. The first time you use it, you'll need to enter an access code, which can be found in your Telegram chat with Sniperoo. With the access code entered, the next step involves linking your wallet. Go to the Wallets section on the left side of the screen. Find the wallet you want to use, and click Export to obtain your private key. This key is private and should not be shared with anyone. Copy your private key and navigate to the Axiom website. Click on the profile icon, then Account and Security, followed by Manage Wallets. Paste your private key into the provided field and click Add Wallet. Your wallet will be added successfully after a few seconds. If the changes don't appear immediately, refresh the website. You should now be able to see your Sniperoo bot. If it's still not visible, try switching wallets or refreshing the page multiple times. Eventually, you should be able to see the bot and complete the connection process.